Hello everyone and welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to add your logo and brand colors in Odoo. So adding your logo and brand colors in Odoo helps make your store look professional and consistent across your websites, invoices, emails, and customer portal. So actually guys, first you will need to just open the website editor, and to do that you will need to go with the website option. So that's one. And here guys, you will need to click on the edit that's located at the top right corner, so this one. So now you will be able to add your logo. Okay, so you will need just to replace the header logo, that one. So just hover over it and click it, and now you will need to upload your logo image. So just go with upload an image from here and upload it to the images section or folder, and then just click and go with add. Okay, and you should know that the recommended format is the PNG with a transparent background, and the recommended size around 250 and 500 px wide. So to adjust the logo, you will need just to click the logo and use the style settings right here, and then you will be able to resize it. Okay, so that's the logo and T, and you will, once you will add the logo right here, you will be able to resize it. So just something just like that. So the format right here. Okay, so the format you can go with 20 px, for example. All right, and that's the adjustment for the header, so it's the same for the logo. So I just want to show you an example. So actually guys, that's it. This is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching, and goodbye.